This is a 7404 NOT gate IC. First, we will insert it into the breadboard. Next, we need a 100 ohm resistor to pin number 2, and we will connect another terminal to any point of the breadboard. We will connect a wire at pin 1, and we will use this as terminal A. Then from this point, where the 100 ohm resistor is inserted, we will connect a 5mm LED. We must connect the positive terminal next to the resistor, and we have to connect the negative terminal of our LED to the ground. To connect the LED to the ground, use a connecting wire. After this, we will connect a connecting wire to the ground to any point of this row. Then, connect a connecting wire to the row where the positive terminal of the battery will be connected. Now, our circuit is ready.
Yan, sabi daw sa NOT gate, pag kinonect mo dito sa ground, ilaw pa dito siya. Pag nilipat mo naman dito sa taas, mamatay na yung Kaya,